Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, January 18th, 2023. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We're so excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for foggy to sunny skies and a high of 54. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having, where's that at? Fiesta bean burritos or mandarin orange chicken. That's usually a hot ticket, that mandarin orange chicken. All right, Lions. Birthdays. Today we have one birthday. Eric Rosas will be turning 8 in Miss Abad's class. Happy birthday. All right, Lions. Attendance. We had 40 absences, 72 tardies. That was 93%. Not good, Lions. Okay, we need to get back in focus. That 95 all last week was amazing. We need to get back to that. All right, classes with perfect attendance were Charrington, Harrison, Hill, Guzman, Lopez, Martinez, and Seamus. All right, Lions. Soccer tryouts will continue today after school, which is awesome because Miss Jasmine's here right after school, and so is Mr. Carrillo because he's here today. So as soon as you dress out after your release, then you go out to out to tryouts. And they're going to be marking the fields. I think today we will have one field in the behind of Washington and the other field over where you guys normally do PE by the TK classrooms. So we'll have those two separate, and then we'll set up the golds and the nets so you guys can use them at recesses as well. However, we'll talk about you cannot hold on to the nets. If those nets break, y'all are going to be in some trouble. Okay? All right. Yesterday, your progress reports went home. So if your parents have any questions, comments, concerns, they can contact your teachers or myself, and we'll try to see what we can do to let you know what's going on. But you guys are doing so well, staying focused, staying motivated. We got benchmark testing going on. I saw lots of good stuff going on. I love that you guys are taking your time. You're not trying to rush through it. It's not about getting done. It's about showing everything that you know. Okay? And really, it's about, did we grow from the first time we took it to the second time we took it, so we can see what we can do to help you achieve your goal. Remember, if you haven't mastered a standard, it's okay, because it just means you haven't done it yet. It's that power of yet, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? All right. Next week starts the Great Kindness Week. And so your student council has been working at a meeting yesterday to come up with dress-up days for next week and activities to promote kindness. So Ms. B is working up the schedule for dress-up days to get that out to you guys so you guys can start deciding what you want to dress up for next week. And we'll have some really cool activities that involve classrooms, individuals, and campus as a whole. So super excited about that. Also, coming up is the 100th day of school. Did you guys know we've been in school almost 100 days? Is that not crazy? Next Friday, the 27th, is the 100th day of school. And we're going to also be working on a second passport refresher, remembering what ROAR stands for and the expectations based on kind of what grade level you're in and what you need to do and relearn. All right, Lions? So that's an opportunity on the 27th. So we got a lot going on next week. Busy week because games also start for soccer on Thursday after school. We play Cinnamon. Okay. So we got a lot going on, so I just want you to stay focused on academics today. All right, Lions? Focus on those benchmarks. Here's the thing. Do the best you can. If you don't know an answer, it's okay. That tells us you don't know yet, and we'll work on it. Okay, Lions? All right. On this day in history in 1803, okay, that's a long time ago, President Jefferson requested funding for Lewis and Clark expedition, right? So he requested for Congress to fund Lewis and Clark an expedition west. That was to the westward movement, and he asked for $2,500. You can't even rent a house for $2,500 anymore. But can you imagine they expanded the United States with that amount of money? It's pretty crazy. All right, Lions. I know this is going to be a wonderful Wednesday because you're going to show respect, right? That means that when someone else is talking, you're not talking over them. That means that you're listening to each other when you're pair sharing, when you're out in the cafeteria, right? There are certain ways that we show respect. So I want to see that, Lions. All right. That is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Remember, we are one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice. I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it is now time for the flag salute.